Hello Internet, welcome back to SYBO TV. My name is Adam and you are watching the first ever episode of Jake's Shakes Season 2. So with Jake's Shakes, we take the latest world tour destination from Subway surfers and create a milkshake inspired by that destination. And I actually have Alex here with me behind the camera. So Alex will be taste testing this shake once I've made it as well. So good luck to you, Alex.
Don't make anything too weird for me.
We'll try. So in Subway Surfers at the moment on the world tour, we're currently visiting Bali, which is in Indonesia, and we've been massively inspired by the clear blue waters of the beaches there. Close the lid off here. There we go. Wash your blender before the next stage, that's important.
Milkshake guacamole.
All right. Very naughty as a chef, you're not supposed to eat your food you're cooking. But I'm hungry. All right, so now we take our spray cream and we're just gonna spray it on the top here. And now we're gonna add our fruit. And now the pièce de résistance, we're going to add some sprinkles. Then this is the most important ingredient. So now that we've added all the ingredients into our milkshakes, we just need to top it off with a straw and a little decoration. So there it is, the Bali beach shake. And now of course we have to taste test it so you guys know exactly how good it tastes. That's actually really good. That's actually really good. What do you think?
It's not bad. It's a transformative experience actually.
Right?
3 shakes in one.
Every 3 sips you get a brand new experience. For an improvised shake, that tastes absolutely amazing. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, maybe subscribe to the channel. See you next time on Jake's Shakes.
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Is that your second shake? Alex?